What's up, everybody? Bitcoin J back again. And god dang it, man, I hate doing this to you. I've been trying to just go about my day and not mess around and make another video about another project, but I cannot, I literally cannot help myself. Anybody know about Drip Network? You know, I love Drip. There's a lot of Drip lovers on the internet right now. A lot of Drip lovers making videos. Drip made a lot of people rich. When Drip first started, when Drip dropped about a year ago, not even, in about April of last year, no one believed in it. It was very uh, crappy website. I mean, everything, just like this one. Well, Drip made millionaires a year later. Here's the deal. This is an exact replica of Drip. This is called Splassive.com, the Splash Network. Exact replica of Drip. Just started, I don't even know, maybe a couple days ago. And the only reason I'm bringing you this video, and I'm so compelled to do this. I did not want to make a video again, not today, but this is crazy. All right. I've been, being hit up on my cell phone. People have been talking about this privately outside of the internet as far as the YouTube is concerned. Tell me about this because they know what I'm into. They know what I'm about. They said, man, you got to look at this program. It's crazy. Well, a couple days ago, I'm not even sure the date it started. This thing started, I think it got it was like a secret launch, like a, what they call a shadow launch or something like that. Stealth launches. Yeah, that's the verbiage. The stealth launch. This thing started at $2. I don't know if you see this. This is $23 right now. This thing maybe 30 minutes ago was at $21. Now, granted, just like everything else in the crypto scene, it's going to fluctuate. It's going to go up and down. But I'm seeing more and more videos on YouTube about the Splash Network. Stunner Breezy. For those of you who don't know who that is, he's the one time he maxed out Drip. He is the original OG. This guy is the Drip millionaire. He's even involved in this. He's looking at this. Um, Thomas G, another crypto Drip millionaire, is involved in this. So if these guys are getting involved in this, I'm getting involved in this. Let me kind of break this down to you. This is almost an exact to the T replica of Drip. It works the same way. It's a referral only program. So I'm going to leave my referral in the link. So if you find like you want to just get started and take a chance on something like Drip, I'm getting my hands in as much as I can. I'm sorry, guys. And I did, like, again, I apologize, but I'm going to do it. You know, I'm a DGen. You could say you hate it. You can give me the thumbs down. Whoever this is keeps giving me thumbs down, whatever. I don't care. I'm going to keep putting it out there because there's a lot of people that give me thumbs up. And this is for those folks who have a dollar and a dream. You know what? You never accomplish anything without taking a chance. And I'm taking a chance. I'm putting more money on the line. Why not? I've been making some money in the crypto scene for a while now. Been stashing some money away. I've been moving some money around whenever a project comes up, and I'm definitely making room for this project. All right, let me kind of break a little bit down for you. This thing, unlike Drip, pays you 2% per day. Drip pays you 1. I like that. And if this thing only lasts 1 year or if it lasts 6 months, I'm getting involved. I'm gonna get what I can and I'm bouncing. But if it does do what Drip did, because here's how I look at this. Do you think McDonald's cares if Burger King is down the street or if Wendy's is, a couple buildings down from them? No. You know why? Because there's enough hamburgers for everybody. There's enough people that want a lot of hamburgers. Some people want different hamburgers. Grilled, flame broiled, doesn't matter. Steamed. There's a lot of people that like different burgers, but burgers nonetheless are going to sell. So here's the deal. There's room in this crypto scene for a lot of DeFi projects, and this is another one. And what's the best form of flattery? That's right. You're going to copy. Copying is the best form of flattery. If something's working, why not copy it? And that's what they did, but they improved a little bit. 2% per day return. I love it. I'm in. I'm going to give it a shot. Why not? Right. Here's the other thing. Also, I told you it's a buddy referral system. I'll leave my link in the description if you want to take advantage of it. But here's the other thing too. Remember, you need the BR34P token for Drip in order to take advantage of referrals. Well, here you need something called the Wave token, right? And not a lot of people, I don't see a lot of people talking about the acquisition of the Wave token. And it took me forever to find the wallet address for the Wave token. And I believe I found that, and I'm pretty sure that's the right address. So, whatever. I'm going to also leave that wallet address or the token address to the Wave token in the description so you guys can actually go onto this app.pangolin exchange because that's the only place where you can buy the Wave token. So I'm going to leave three links in the description. I'm going to leave the link to the Splash Network. So if you want to join, please do help yourself. I'm going to also leave the link to the Pangolin app.pangolin site so you can buy your Wave token so you can get fully prepared to start promoting your referral link so you can start getting paid too. All right. And the third thing is you need the wallet address to get the Wave token. So I just want to make sure you guys are fully prepared and ready to go. Because if for those of you out there who are not scared to take a chance, got a little bit extra Skrilla lying around, I think this might be the one. It went from $2, then it's sitting right now at 23 bucks. Who's to say if it's going to stay there? It could drop again. And it will fluctuate. I think it will drop, right? But on the off chance that it goes where Drip did, 120, $188 a token. Come on. Come on. Let's give it a shot, y'all. So I'm just putting it out there. I just want to make this real quick video about Splash token, splassive.com. Again, all links will be in the description. You find some value in it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You know how we do. All about getting that crypto. I promise you, I won't put up another video today because I can't. This is it. Like, subscribe, bell notification. You know how we do. Until next time, peace.